Citadel and other short sellers alike are in deep, deep trouble, and after all, they have dug their own grave. After this rally that we did see yesterday, up 20%, and today currently up 5% on AMC stock, and this does look like the rally is likely to continue, but I do want to talk about the unusual options trading activity, and then go over one other very interesting article. So we're going to try to keep this video as short, sweet, and simple as possible. So drop that like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when these videos are uploaded. So first things first, let's just talk about the move that we are seeing right now. It's getting very, very volatile, guys. When I just said we were up over 5%, we were. Now we are down to 4.5% positive, give or take. It's bouncing around a lot, but we're looking for this next massive leg up that I do think is coming over $50, ultimately put us at about $60 per share, which was our resistance levels back here after this first initial gamma squeeze, June 1st through June 3rd. Now, that is kind of what I expect. Tomorrow is going to be the real testament to see if Thursday is positive, because Thursday is our most negative day usually throughout the week, and also Friday, but definitely Thursday. So if we're looking positive tomorrow, that'll definitely be a good thing. Also, let's briefly just go over Citadel's short position in AMC as well. In case you guys have forgot, Citadel has the largest short position out of anybody on AMC stock. So they are losing the most when AMC does go through these rallies. Even though they are the biggest fund that has the most money, they are still losing the most. And short sellers alone lost over $1 billion yesterday alone. So definitely, including today, you're looking at $1.5 billion short sellers have lost, at least in my personal opinion. Obviously, today's numbers are not known, but I do think the rest of today is going to be very bullish. So obviously, they are bleeding when AMC is going up, and the apes are winning on this cause. The only thing now is we have to stay true to what we have been saying this whole time, to really stick it out to your guys' personal price targets. Yours is going to be different than mine. Mine's going to be different than yours. So that is up to your own decisions. But definitely Citadel controls about 8.5 million shares worth of puts on their short position. So definitely a very, very sizable short position for about 476 million, if I'm reading that correctly. It's a little weird how Fintel does display their information, but let's get into the real meat and bones of this video. So throughout the day, we saw unusual or noteworthy call option activity flowing in for both GME and AMC. Looking for the unusual whales flow, we can see via large and small orders alike that the bullish sentiment for GameStop's meme rally carried throughout the afternoon, with options orders flying in right up to the bell. In the images below, the majority of unusual options activity related by the unusual whales flow tool is tagged as bullish, seen in the green labels on the right column. And obviously GameStop, yes, obviously looking very bullish as well. And then look at AMC. You can see 190,000 premium, 101,000, 135,000, 202,000, 213,000, 105, 129, 464,000. Most of these are expiring. Pretty much all of these, besides 1, 2, are expiring on September 17th. So a lot of people, a lot of big money, big traders think that this rally is likely to continue. And these are all in one order. So these are not your typical small guys. This is not adding up how many small orders the small guys have made. These are large trades by institutional investors, or somebody with millions and millions of dollars that wanted to get in these options very, very fast. So two right here, it says 100K plus premium time set to central. So you can see all of these huge orders, guys. A lot of these ones are actually expiring this Friday, August 27th. Some other ones are expiring in September as well. So a lot of bullish activity, but a lot of bullish activity around all meme stocks. You're seeing a lot of hedge funds and institutions just buying meme stocks because they're going up. Probably they're trading algorithms. They're probably not behind the keyboards typing in trades and numbers. It's probably just their trading algorithms. But nevertheless, this is signifying to us we are likely to see this rally continue. Now, this article is actually from yesterday, but it is very relevant still to today. So, shares of several retail trading darlings, including AMC Entertainment and GameStop, surged in heavy volume late on Tuesday on no apparent news, dealing over $1 billion in losses to short sellers. And then I'll skip those two paragraphs. In quotes, when you get a move that big, it almost makes you think there's some big hedge fund or something out there that decided to do some trades, said Randy Frederick, managing director of trading and derivatives at Schwab Center for Financial Research. Frederick, however, said he had seen little in the way of news to spur the share price moves on Tuesday. The jump in the share price on Tuesday also dealt large losses to investors with bearish bets on some of these stocks, according to analytics company Ortex. In quotes, heavily shorted stocks have, for the past month, been less volatile than earlier this year. Today, we saw an end to this, said Ortex co-founder Peter Hilberg. The share price gains in AMC and GameStop generated losses for close to $1 billion for short sellers. Hilberg said short sellers aim to profit by selling borrowed shares, hoping to buy them back at a lower price. And obviously, you guys probably already know that. Several of these stocks also drew higher than usual trading volume in the options market on Tuesday as traders jocketed to either take advantage of the rallying price or move to cover positions that were underwater. For instance, GameStop options trading volume was 407,000 contracts, or about 6 times its recent average daily trading volume. According to data from options analytics firm Trade Alert, AMC options volume came in at 1.6 million contracts, nearly 3 times its daily average, making it the most active single stock name in the options market on Tuesday, Trade Alert data showed. While the retail trading frenzy that had taken Wall Street by storm earlier this year has subsided somewhat in recent months, the periodic wild moves in share price has kept investors on their toes. Says options prices are implying that this is not going away anytime soon, said Brian Overby, senior options analyst at Ally Invest. So I think it's very clear here. This rally is likely to continue for a while. We're likely to see Citadel continue to go underwater on their short positions for a longer period of time. Who knows that price where they're going to be squeezed out of their positions, and odds are they're going to be the ones buying the shares from us at the very top. Now, we also see this unusual options activity, a lot of this expiring on September 17th. So that is just telling me that we are likely to continue to see a rally throughout September. Obviously, we're going to have ups, we're going to have downs, but I think the trajectory is clear and we are going to the moon. Now, I don't think the short squeeze has actually started. Obviously, we're not seeing shorts covering on the massive scale that we would be seeing if the short squeeze did start. And a lot of people, they do want the short squeeze to start, and I do want the short squeeze to start, but I would like to see this continued rally to the top levels, possibly break out to all-time highs before we do see the big money come in and be forced to cover on their positions. Starting a short squeeze at the top is obviously a lot better than starting a short squeeze from the bottom end range. But that is going to do it for this video. Check out the 3 links linked down below in the description. There is a free Discord group chat for AMC. Obviously, there's also a link for the buy and sell alerts. Very inexpensive, pays for itself. There's also a link for public. You guys already know the deal with that. But that is all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.